Welcome to our channel, where we help you navigate the latest updates and features on popular apps like WhatsApp. Today, we're going to show you how to enable auto-download for documents on WhatsApp when using it on your PC. This feature is incredibly useful if you frequently receive important files and want to ensure they're automatically saved without the hassle of manual downloads. To get started, open the WhatsApp app on your computer. You can do this by clicking on the app icon or accessing WhatsApp web in your browser. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your chats and messages just like you do on your phone. Now, let's dive into the settings. Look for the gear icon located at the left side of the menu. This icon represents the settings menu where you can customize various aspects of your WhatsApp experience. Click on it to enter the settings area. Once you're in the settings menu, find and click on Storage. This section is crucial for managing how WhatsApp handles media files, including documents. In the storage settings, you'll see options for different types of media, such as photos, videos, and documents. To enable auto-download for documents, simply check the box next to Documents. By doing this, you ensure that any documents sent to you on WhatsApp are automatically downloaded and saved to your device. This makes it easy to access important files without having to download them manually. That's it. You've now successfully enabled automatic document downloads on WhatsApp using your PC. This feature is a great way to streamline your workflow and keep your important files organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on using WhatsApp and other apps effectively. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.